If you've ever found yourself juggling dozens of files and struggling to keep your digital life organized, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create a brand new folder in OneDrive both through the web and on your computer. By the end of this tutorial, not only will you be able to tidy up your important files with ease, you'll also know a couple simple tricks that'll keep your OneDrive neat and stress-free, no matter where you're working from. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at how to create a new folder directly in OneDrive's web interface. This is especially handy if you need to organize files online quickly or if you're using a device that isn't your usual computer. Start by clicking on the New button, which you'll usually find near the top of your OneDrive page. You'll see a drop-down menu with several options. Choose Folder. Picking Folder is important because it signals to OneDrive that you want a new organizing space, not just a new document or spreadsheet. Now you'll be prompted to name your new folder. Take a moment here. Your folder name helps you recognize it later, so make it descriptive like Work Reports 2024 or Vacation Photos. A clear name means less time digging around for files and more time getting things done. If you're someone who appreciates a little personal touch, OneDrive actually lets you choose a color for your folder at this stage. Maybe you want all your project folders in blue and your personal ones in green. It's totally optional, but adding color can make your folders stand out, like labeling a physical binder on a shelf. Once you've settled on a name, click the Create button. That's it, your new folder is now part of your OneDrive. This might take a second to update, especially if your internet is slow, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Now, let's say you're working right on your computer rather than in a browser. Maybe you prefer using File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac. Here's how you create a folder within your OneDrive so your organization stays in sync across all your devices. First, open your File Explorer if you're on Windows or Finder if you're using a Mac. Navigate to your OneDrive folder. It's usually on the left side under a little blue cloud icon. Take a second to make sure you're in the right spot so your new folder doesn't end up lost somewhere unexpected. Once you're inside your OneDrive folder, right-click in the open space where you want your new folder to go. This will pull up a menu of different actions. Hover over New and then click on Folder. You'll see a new folder appear, ready for you to name it. Go ahead and type the name again, pick something clear and meaningful and hit Enter. And just like that, your new folder is created, ready to start organizing files however you like. Remember, organizing your files isn't just about neatness. It makes your whole digital life smarter and less stressful. Think of it like putting your mail in separate baskets instead of tossing it all on the kitchen table. If you ever make a mistake, don't worry. You can easily rename, move, or delete folders in both the web and desktop versions of OneDrive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And if you have any questions, or if you want tips for organizing your files even better, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.